Good morning, friends and family. I am on my balcony in the doorway once again, and this is the table that nobody got to see when it was covered with 2 feet of snow. And these are my planters with all of my hyacinths and daffodils that will be in the spring blooming. There's Freddie, my flamingo. And this is the residual of the snow that was from the blizzard from last week. This is the last of it. It's been melting. There's still a little bit of overhang of the snow on the roof of my balcony, but for the most part, the rest of it has pretty much melted. And that's the snow pile that the lovely people that work in the complex had to plow to make the walkway for us to get in and out of our lovely apartments. As you can see, it is snowing. There's that fucking squirrel. Anyway, excuse my language. I hate the squirrels over here because they destroy everything that's on my balcony. And there's no getting rid of them. I wish I could blame it on one squirrel, but there are lots of them. So, I mean, there's no discerning markings on any of them. So I can't tell which one it is. But they come over here every morning and they either dig up my stuff or they chew up my stuff. I had wind chimes that were beautiful and ringing so nicely in the springtime, and they came over here and totally destroyed them. So I hate the squirrels over here. I really wish we had birds of prey to tame them and control the population. I don't want to say kill them, but control the population because it's ridiculous the way that they destroy your stuff. Anyway, this is the first snowfall of the new storm that we're supposed to get. And it just started snowing like maybe 20 minutes ago. So this is all fresh. As you can see, it really hasn't started sticking to the ground yet. But they said that we're supposed to get at least another 6 to 10 inches of snow. It's one of my neighbors walking her dog. She lives in the middle building. Her dog always barks at everybody. But he's being quiet right now. She lives in that apartment over there. So I will keep you guys updated with the progress of this new winter storm that we're getting. And everybody please stay safe. Winter will be over soon and we won't have to deal with this anymore. So stay inside, stay cozy. That's where I'm going. I'm cooking breakfast, so I just wanted to take a quick break. Talk to you guys later.